You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how ancient civilizations accomplished what seems impossible today. From moving massive stones without modern machinery to creating precise astronomical alignments, let's get to the bottom of this. Alright folks, let's start with the Great Pyramids of Giza. How did the ancient Egyptians with no cranes or trucks manage to build these colossal structures? Some theorists suggest they used a system of water canals and wooden sleds to transport those giant stones. Sounds like a real-life MacGyver episode, huh? Next up, Stonehenge. This prehistoric monument in England is another head-scratcher. Archaeologists believe these massive stones were transported over 200 miles. That's like hauling a fridge from New York to DC, without any of the highways or vehicles. And let's not forget the Nazca lines in Peru. These enormous geoglyphs can only be fully seen from the sky. So the million-dollar question, were ancient Peruvians just expert drone pilots without the drones? There you have it. Just a few of the mind-bending puzzles from our ancient past. Makes you wonder what else our ancestors were up to, right? Stick around for more mysteries.